What if you could sail at breathtaking speeds across a frozen lake? Enter the world of ice sailing, where the wind howls and the ice crackles beneath your feet. As temperatures plummet, brave adventurers strap into their sleek machines, feeling the adrenaline surge. With sails unfurling, they zoom across the glossy surface, reaching speeds that rival cars on highways. Each turn and gust of wind adds an electric thrill, as racers dodge cracks and unforeseen obstacles. This exhilarating sport, often overshadowed, offers a unique blend of speed, skill, and the raw beauty of winter's embrace. Will you dare to embrace the chill and join the race on ice?